Oh, that was a fail.
Yeah. Come get your makeup. Ain't nothing made up, no. Watch me put a face on. I'ma get my painting on. Starting with Stallicorn. Starting with Stallicorn. Starting with Stallicorn. Starting with Stallicorn. Starting with Stallicorn.
Like, I look like I'm skidding. Like, some scammer. Like shit. Hey, what up, y'all? It's your girl Stallicorn, and I'm back at it again with another review. So today I have another wig review for you guys, and today this wig actually came from WigTypes today, not Seems Beauty. So yeah, it's something different. And I saw a couple of YouTubers reviewing this wig, and I saw this and I was like, yo, this wig is mad popping. So you know, I gotta try it too. I gotta buy it and spend my coins and things like that for this wig. So yeah, before we even get into this video, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified for when I drop more videos just like this one. Now the wig that I got today is the Outre Melted Hairline Collection in the unit Seraphine. This wig is fine, okay? And I did get her in the color DRFF/Cinnamon Mocha. So of course she's supposed to be a nice little brown John, you feel me? So let's get right into this review. Let's get into this install. Let's get into this customization. Let's get into the pros, the cons. Let's get into everything about this wig. Now let's read straight off the stock card, because you know the melted hairline is supposed to come with some realness. Okay, so it says she's supposed to have a seamless hairline for the realest illusion. Now y'all better live up to this outro, because I swear to God, if y'all don't, it's gonna be a disappointment. She's supposed to have a soft HD transparent lace, a 5-inch deep parting, completely pre-plucked hairline and sideburns, pre-attached wide elastic band for a secure fit, natural baby hairs, and a redesigned comfort fit air contour. I don't even know what that means, to be honest. What is a I don't know what that means at all. But she's supposed to have a frontal effect hairline, so they said no plucking is required, guys. So you know what that means. You know what that means. I don't have to do no work. And yeah, so she does have different colors. If you don't like the Cinnamon Mocha, too bad, because Cinnamon Mocha is popping, and you could get her in other colors. So yeah, guys, let's get right into this review. Man, let me take she out the box. Oh God, boy, you see these curls though? Like, you know these wigs that be looking like granny curls? You know they always popping. You feel me? Like, okay, but she does feel soft. She feels like she has like a yaki, like a silky yak texture. She does feel nice. She is a middle part. Let me see the inside, because listen. Okay, so yeah, she is a middle part. They have a frontal effect hairline, but she's a middle part. So I don't know, you know, take that into your own discretion. The lace looks like it's tinted. You know we love a tinted lace. Yes. Okay. So, let's get into the construction of this wig. She has 3 combs inside. 3 combs inside. So 1 at the back, 2 at the front for each temple. Of course, she has the elastic band for a secure fit. And she does have adjustable straps. Of course, we never use those anyways. Who uses those? It's fine, whatever. So yeah, let's get into this. I'm gonna show you how I install it, and of course we're gonna take advantage of that frontal hairline that they say they have. gonna hold you. This wig and her curl Seraphine is fine, okay? no, Phine. Like, you can't tell me that this does not look cute. Like, what y'all thinking? Because I'm feeling her. I'm feeling her. I'm about to wear this somewhere. I don't know where, but somewhere. I'm feeling her. Like, I just wish they had the colors available. Everybody stole up all the colors, but this one is nice. This color is nice. The cinnamon mocha really does bring out my skin complexion. Like, it just matches. Everything looks mocha, you know? Let me see if I could do up a little style real quick. A little something cute. Y'all already know I'm bad hype, right? Yo, this wig looks so cute. Ah! Yo, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It looks so cute. Like, I could cry. Like, I'm gonna try my hardest not to cry, but this wig looks so cute. Outre did they thing on this wig. Let's get down to the business. Let me give y'all the pros and cons about this wig. So let's give you the pros. The color, straight pro. I love the fact that it's a middle part, and I love the fact that they give you a pre-plucked hairline, and it's a frontal like hairline, so it's like, you know, all the way around. You have flexibility. You don't even have to pluck the hairline. Like, yeah. And now I see what they mean by the ear contour. Like, it really, okay. That's embarrassing. It really does hide the ear. Like, it comes all the way down. All the way down. Like, I just ain't got enough glue here, but you know what else? Ain't nobody looking at that. But it does come all the way down. And I have some extra lace here. I have some extra lace. Like, y'all, I don't know what Outre thought they was doing, but they did it. They did it. Now, I never really do the sideburns because naturally I don't really have long sideburns, so I just be leaving these, to be honest. But I mean, you could really do some sideburns with this wig. Like, you could do it. You could just, you know, cut off a little something there and just swoop 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 swoop. Like, you're good. This unit, even though when you first get it, it kind of looked like some, you know, tighter curls, like some granny curls or whatever, but once you comb them out, they really fall like a wavy kind of hair. Like, even when I put the pigtails in the hair, they still fall kind of wavy. Like, I really like that. I also do like the fact that even if you comb this hair, like, no matter how much times you comb it, it's still gonna come back to its not natural wave, but it's still gonna come back to a nice wave. Like, it's not gonna be straight. Now, this wig is big head friendly and she's beginner friendly, so that's another pro about this wig. You are able to have a big head and put this on your head. The ear flaps really come all the way down. Like, I don't have a big head, but these are really covering my ears. Like, bro, I feel like if you have a big head, you can get this wig. And if you're not an expert at laying down laces or anything like that, this wig is still great for you because it is beginner friendly. Like, I know y'all watch my videos enough to know how to slay a wig. I know y'all watch enough videos to know how to, like, at least blend a little lace, and that's all you need to do. That's really all you need to do. Like, you don't have to put no baby hairs. I put baby hairs for the aesthetic of it, you feel me? But all you have to do is just blend the lace. That's it. Now let's get into the cons about this wig. Even though this wig was super beautiful and it has a nice color and nice luster and it doesn't have that synthetic wig look to it, feels like human hair, and is very soft and is beginner friendly and big head friendly. there are some cons to this wig. Now let me tell y'all, this wig do have some shedding and she do have some tangling. Now let me tell you about the shedding. Kaboom! Now let me tell you about the tangling. Kaboom! Like, she does tangle, and I expect that from a curly unit or a wavy unit because of the simple fact that when you do have a curly unit and you try to comb it out, you're gonna experience tangling. Then when you experience tangling, you're combing out the tangles, which you're gonna experience some shedding. Now, I experienced a lot of shedding. A lot of hair came out. I know y'all saw that go down. I'll play it back for you again. Kaboom! Kaboom! It sheds. Like, I have hair all over my legs right now, and she does shed. So take that in mind when you are buying this wig. You don't want to be running your hands through it or combing it too much. You don't want to manipulate it too much because at the end of the day, it is synthetic, and y'all don't want that kind of, that's embarrassing to be having. Exactly. But guys, let me talk about this hairline though. You see that? No, you don't. That hairline is melted, hunty. Melted. And what they said, it has a frontal, and it has a frontal illusion or whatever they said on the stock card. Yes, it does. It does. It does. And that melted hairline, yes. Like, wig wear. Okay? I'm letting y'all know. You see the tangle? I'm letting y'all know now that this hairline is melted and it was so easy to blend. So yeah, guys, that's the ending of this tutorial. Let me know what you guys think. I'm really feeling this wig. Let me know if y'all are feeling this because I'm feeling this, okay? Let me know what you guys think. Let me know how you're feeling about it. Let me know if you're gonna buy it. Let me know anything like that. If you do like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you have anything to say, just drop a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for me. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Bye.